What's going on? It's another entry into Veganuary. We're at the 13th day. I hope you're still going strong on your journey. We're going to do some Whole Foods plant-based since you guys seem to love that so much. We're going to do Whole Foods plant-based. I'm going to make my favorite. I'm calling it steak fajitas. You know what I'm saying? It's going to be really delicious, really good. I just want you to stay tuned and watch the video. We got some really easy ingredients today. I got mushrooms, green peppers, onions, and some quinoa. So what I'm gonna do is I already put some grapeseed oil in my pan here. So I'm gonna saute the onions, peppers, and the mushrooms all together. I'm only gonna use about 3 ingredients. I'm gonna use some black pepper, some cumin, and some kosher salt. That's gonna be it for that. And I'll let that cook down. While that's cooking, I'm gonna also cook the quinoa on the side so that I can eat the rice, peppers, and mushrooms over top of the quinoa. So it's like steak and rice, but not no steak and rice. So let's see. So shout out to this meal. This meal is kind of like inspired by some of the like Dr. Sebi recipes, so to say, because all the items I use, in short of some of the seasonings, are like on Dr. Sebi's list. If you're not sure what Dr. Sebi is, he is an amazing guy who you know, cured a lot of diseases and all just from food. So you know, I just thought I would throw that in there in this Veganuary mix. Peppers and onions are my go-to, and mushrooms. They're like easily accessible. It craves any type of meat, like you know, if I have a taste for like a meat stuff, you know, I'll just make some mushrooms. It don't always have to be like a mock meat. Mushrooms think they're meat already. You know what I'm saying? Cooking the peppers and onions, just about done now. Got the rice and the quinoa just about done. I'm about to plate this bad boy up, and we're gonna go ahead and chow down. Alright, so look, I got my quinoa, I got my rice, my peppers. I'm sorry, not rice. I got my quinoa, I got my onions and peppers and mushrooms. It smells amazing. It's so good. This is a set that my mother-in-law got me for Christmas. So shout out to you, Lisa, for hooking me up with various different hot sauces. She knows I love hot sauce. And I know, like, no little chop like Idris Elba, you know. What the fuck? I like it hot. I like it spicy. So I'm gonna just stick to the regular cayenne hot sauce for this one. Pour a little of that on there, you know what I mean? I like my food spicy, and we're gonna taste this to see what it's like. As you see, I cheated a little bit. I threw a tortilla shell in there. You don't have to do that, but this is to make it more like a fajita, you know what I'm saying? So, whew, I'm so ready. Quinoa. Oh my God! Wow! Quinoa kind of reminds me of like almost like grits a little bit. What do you think? Like the white quinoa kind of tastes like grits. It's good though. Listen, this is good, like straight up. It's also, well, Quinoa is a little pricey, but overall it's not that expensive. It's pretty cheap. My mouth is burning because it's still so hot, but it's so good. So look, I'm literally burning the roof of my mouth, but it tastes so good that I'm fighting through the pain. But this meal, it's easy, it's beginner friendly. I try to make all my meals beginner friendly, pretty easy. You know what I'm saying? Not too hard to do. But yeah. If you want to see more meals that are alkaline friendly, check out Ty's Conscious Kitchen. He has an amazing channel, and he does really good stuff. Listen, man, I know they say don't get high off your own supply, but sheesh. This is real right here. If I wasn't recording, I would probably lick this plate. So you know what I'm gonna do when the recording is over. Also, a special shout out to Liz Howard for the slow cookers that came through in the clutch. I appreciate that, and I'll be incorporating that in one of our videos coming soon with Amy, so we really appreciate you. And shout out to all the love that we've been getting from the channel, all the good comments, all the new followers on Instagram. You guys are amazing. When we hit 25K, there will be a giveaway. We're almost there. My goal by the end of this year, though, is 100K. So all you gotta do is show one friend and tell him to show a friend and tell her to show a friend and tell them to show a friend, and then we'll be there. Fitness February is coming up next month. I called it last year, but with the baby coming, it kind of got like a little messed up. Things got screwed. But Fitness February, excuse me, is for sure gonna be a thing. Hopefully Amy will be in it. Sorry. Hopefully Amy will be in it, and it's gonna be good. It's gonna be really good. I'm gonna show you my fitness routine. I plan to drop at least no less than 15 pounds next month. So that means like a half a pound a day, and I'll show you my processes of going through that. I got plenty more left for Veganuary, plenty of ideas. I never run out of ideas. I have stuff to do every single day for you guys. I really appreciate you guys taking the step towards a plant-based lifestyle, vegan lifestyle. We love you. I love you. Eat grass, not ass. And I'll see you on the next video. Buy the merch. Peace.